Visual 5D are specialists in the production of 4D construction and site logistic animations used to communicate the activities of a build during the planning stages. We have helped to redefine how contractors present their bids by pushing boundaries of what can be communicated to win major contracts. Our realistic visuals, technical content and interactive interfaces have established us as leaders in the field, and we are the preferred supplier to some of the industry's largest contractors. At V5D, we have been working at the leading edge of computer technology during its most exciting era, with the adaptation of building information modeling into the construction industry. Through a combination of gaming technology and engineering expertise, we have developed a process that links an animated 3D model with the program schedule. This allows our clients to showcase the validity of a build in the most visually persuasive way to either a professional or non-technical audience, and give our clients a distinct competitive edge. One of the key attributes of V5D is that our team are all from a construction background, either in BIM, engineering or architectural disciplines. Working from an informed position, our team can interpret complex engineering information and add solutions to phases that have not been concluded during the planning stages. This enables quicker turnaround of projects, fulfill the most demanding requirements, and ultimately be an extension to the planning team as opposed to an outsourced service. Our animations also show the site logistics setup, which can be a pivotal factor in winning projects by demonstrating strategies used to preserve the surrounding environment. Often, contractors can score high marks in bid presentations by addressing site constraints and showing methodologies used to minimize disruption to neighboring buildings, roads and paths, and maintaining a safe working environment. We can show delivery routes, including entrances, unloading and egress points showing construction working side by side with other interfaces. At interval points in the animation, we can visualize a real-time eye-level view of the construction site, showing the implementation of logistics and construction method. This gives the audience a comprehensive overview of the planned activities and demonstrates that all elements have been rigorously planned and considered. We can show alternative methods of construction if the contractor has a more efficient and quicker alternative to the design proposal. Today, we work exclusively for contractors on bids all over the UK, Ireland and North America, ranging from retail, commercial and public sectors to civil and engineering schemes. Our team at V5D have the expertise and experience to bring all of these benefits to you and your audiences and transform bids into winning presentations. We are the visual communication experts for the construction industry.